my fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show started. Get you guys a little bit of box action. Wait for it to focus. Let's get it into focus. There we go, guys. These are the Air Jordan 3 Retro Tinker Hatfield Special Edition. Get you guys a little bit of box action. See, it says the Tinker Hatfield signature on the front of the box. Do a quick turn. I don't know what year these shoes came out. I just bought these shoes from a site called Soul Steals on the internet. It's a sneaker store that charges you a yearly or monthly fee to buy shoes from them. I believe I paid like $115 for these. They're not a new shoe. I had them up there called Worn Excellent. So I bought them to see what their Worn Excellent was like. And we'll check it out together, guys. So if you're a member of Soul Steals and you ever want to buy something and you're wondering what will the Worn Excellent be like, this shoe will be a template for you. I'm getting, like I said, get my Jordan 3s up. I never bought this shoe because I believe it was too expensive for what you got. Oh, the shoe is in pretty good condition. Has only a little bit of lenties and a little bit of creasing, so I have to give Soul Steals a thumbs up. You guys, Worn Excellent is Worn Excellent. For those of you that don't know, this is a Jordan model where you could remove the check. They put the elephant print checks on here. Off the bottom. Now it's not a good bottom, Soul Steals. You guys could have cleaned that bottom up a bit, but for the price, I can't complain. It's just a little bit of a road dirt. These were worn, like they said, Worn Excellent. I'll give you guys another spin. Before I finish up, you see I love that Nike Air on the back. That's where I got this pair. Wasn't going to get them. Like I said, for the price. The Nike Air. I have the black version and another version of Tinker Hatfields. You get the gray laces included with this kit. You get a pair of red laces. So still good job, guys. They put everything in with it. You also get the laces that you could put on to the swooshes. Or rather, I'm sorry for saying laces, but you get the swooshes that you could attach to the shoe. It also has, I hope you guys can see this. Let me get it up to the camera for you. It has Tinker Hatfield signature on the back of the tongue. Also, Steals, you guys did a very good job retying the laces. Everything's included like a brand new shoe. Like they said, a little bit of wear from, somebody wore them, but that's still not bad. I could clean up the shoe easy. The only thing that was the matter with the shoe is the bottom is a little bit dirty, but it's a sneaker, so I'll clean that up and we'll get it going. Let me give you guys one more back shot of this back silhouette. That Air Jordan is fire. That Nike Air. Alright guys, let's get on to the next shoe. Alright guys, let's get on with this next shoe. It's got a little bit of box action. Wait for it to focus. This is the Adidas Forum Mid FT White, Royal Blue, and FT White. Shoe out of here. Another one of the Forum Mids coming out. Oh, the leather on this one is soft as well, guys. It's good quality. Trying to keep the Forums coming for you guys. You seem to like them. Again, blue, triple Adidas lines, Adidas logo. This time it's not any fur or plastic. It's just leather down to the plastic to the midsole. I don't know why they didn't put the extra suede on here. Again, the back, you just get the same nappy suede from the other guys. It looks like the sweatpants material in the inner sock liner. This is all smooth leather to the blue plastic to the midsole. Again, on this side, Same thing, Adidas, triple slashes, the netting on the forums, leading down to the midsole again. Quality on this shoe, I'll give you a little bit of top action, not that it matters. Nothing special up here, just the ankle lock and the Adidas tag. Very good. Guys, another bottom action. The bottom on this one is all solid blue. Let me give you some light action. 360 with this shoe with the light action because it looks like it might need it. But the whole bottom of the shoe is blue, royal blue. Because yeah, leather quality is great. I don't know who's making these Adidas or who told Adidas they had to step up with the forums, but it's working. Every pair of forums I get, to me, are outstanding quality. That's another side view of what the people will see when it's on your feet. Alright guys, let's get on to this last shoe. Alright guys, let's get this final shoe. Let me get you some box action. This is the shoe we're fighting for, worth dying for, the shoe that bought the early days back. Let me get you some light action for the box. See, the box resembles the OG box, no bull, but on the back it says Toro Bravo. I'm trying to get that out of the light for you guys so the glare doesn't ruin it, but it says Toro Bravo, and the box looks like an old bull shipping box. And get you guys some label action while we have the light on. Get up in there close, keep the glare off there. I apologize. This is a small label box, and we cut the light out. These are the Air Jordan Retro 5, varsity red, black, and white. The Toro Bravos, aka the Raging Bulls, aka you get jacked while you're going to pick up your reserve pair. This is size 9. I want to tell you guys, thank you at Nike. I ordered a size 13. They sent me a size 9. Can't return it. So, gonna keep it on here. Gonna do one turn for you guys with the light out. In my opinion, they're not as good as the original Toro Bravos. Bro, my shoe got some box length in there. Nike, please start taking better care of the shoes. But they're not, in my opinion, as good as the original. They're not dark as the originals. And they also don't have icy bottoms. It's more like a bluish tint. It's not the translucent bottoms like the icy blue bottoms. Mine aren't icy anymore. Bro, Nike, you guys got to get these shoes to games together. But get you guys turned with the light on this shoe so you can see the 3M reflective tag. No hits of 3M on the side. You can still see the tongue lighting up. They didn't go with the Nike Air on the back. They just went with the Jumpman. The original had the Jumpman. In my opinion, if you're going to go with a red themed shoe, you should get the Trophy Room 5s. I think that's the best of all of the red Jordan colorways. I have them somewhere in my collection. If I ever get through to it, I'll unpack them. And you guys can see I'm going to start doing more shoes. Just wait till the channel picks up a bit. Let me give you another turn with the light out. So you guys got to remember, go right now if you're watching this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button so we can keep on going, keep on growing. You guys make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Keep your collections growing. We're going to keep the channel growing. We're going to keep on going. And I thank you guys for tuning in. Don't die for these Jordan 5 Raging Bulls. It's a good shoe. It's not worth your life. You could just come and buy them at the Ozone. Thanks for watching, guys. Everybody stay safe. Everybody fucking jump!